Look, for years, I thought trading was about predicting the future. I swear to God, you had to be a mind reader to get this trading thing down pat. For years, I thought trading was about predicting the future, trying to fill the market, having indicators all over my charts, right? With no plan, with no clue on what's going on. But once I stopped guessing, right? Once I stopped guessing, trading finally clicked. Trading finally made sense to me. And today, I'll show you exactly how. So this is the system that changed everything for me. It's called the Fluid Trades Algo. It's an indicator that includes a specific type of strategy. Before this, I was in a losing streak. I was chasing entries, right? I was revenge trading. I was doing every single thing I was not supposed to do every single week. I remember one trade, right? One trade, woke up, saw price pumping. FOMO, straight, smacked me in the face. Boom. I entered without a plan. I said, click buy, and boom, Elsa hit in seconds. Literally, I wasn't even mad. I just realized, look, I was gambling, not trading. And then that's when I told myself, look, it's either we learn the right way or we quit. We done doing this shit. It's either we do it the right way or we not doing it at all. So I rebuilt my approach around just one question, right? Just one question. How can I enter the market when smart money enters the market? That's it. It gives me structure, right? It shows me when to wait, right? When to like chill and when to fucking strike. Boom. You feel me? Trading finally made sense when I learned this. You only need 3 confirmations before entering any trade. For some people, it might be other, but for me, it's 3. All right, you feel me? And the numbers appear one by one. The first one I need to see price action. I need to see price action, right? I need to see liquidity grab at a double top or a double bottom. Second, I need to see change of character, a real shift in the trend using the algo, right? I need to see price shifting the direction to where it's potentially going. Third, I need to see my fluid flow cloud, chat. This is my baby right here. That's my baby. That's this thing right here. Literally tells me where the market is heading, where the market is going. I buy above the cloud and I sell below the cloud. Literally, right? When all 3 of those line up, that's when I take the trade. That's when you're gonna be able to take the trade. No guessing, no hoping, just following the 3 rules. Okay, so chat, right now we are looking at a real-time example. So right now we actually looking at gold on a 5-minute time frame. Right now I have custom settings on using the Fluid Trades Algo indicator right here. I got multiples here on, but this is for testing wise. But this is the one I have, the Fluid Trades Algo. If you guys want to get access, once again, click the link in the description. You guys will be able to get access to it. And as you guys can see, we got multiple different type of smart money concept features in here, right? And you guys in y'all portal, on the user portal, you guys gonna have access to videos that explain these different type of features in this indicator. And I'm gonna make a whole overview video on the indicator sometime in the future, so stay tuned for that. But as you guys can see, we have multiple different type of features, FVG features, all that good stuff, right? So let me show you guys how these 3 confirmations line up using using our indicator and our fluid state strategy. So like I said before, right? We need 3 confirmation. First, we need to see price action. Second, we need to see change the character confirmation. Third, we need to see a fluid flow cloud confirmation, right? When we see all those, now we could start looking for entries. And I'm gonna go over the entry strategies in this video also too. So let's just continue playing right now. We replaying from October the 29th, not too long ago. And then I'm going to show you guys how these 3 confirmations have to line up for us to make a decision in the market. So let's go ahead and press play. Okay, so price is moving right now. Price has created this high right here, right? From this drop here, it's creating a high, right? And one thing too, you guys gotta keep in mind, right? This indicator comes with supply and demand zone, right? These supply and demand zone tell you guys you know, what is the buyers and sellers percentage within these zones, like, right? Who's winning? Who's winning within this key zone right here, right? So it's like real-time data, but sometimes the data can be a little bit off because if there's a lot of movement in the market, you know, it's all within the codes and stuff like that. So prices drop, right? Prices drop, as you guys can see. And if you guys don't know what you guys are looking at, right, this indicator, it indicates me the change of character when it happens. It indicates me a breaking structure when it happens. It indicates me when price is dropping. For example, the cloud right here. Since price has been dropping here, we have a cloud information indication. Since price drop, we had this indication right here saying, hey, price is now in a flow, in a bearish flow, right? When it turned green here, price was in a bullish flow, right? Yeah, sometimes when the market is ranging, this can happen. This can happen, but stay with me, chat. Stay with me, all right? Stay with me. These could happen, whereas multiple green and blues, that's market range. You want to stay out of this. This is a no, right? We want nice, clean setups. So price drop, right? Boom. Right? If we was paying attention, we could have entered at this drop right here because we have a change of character up here, break the structure, followed by the fluid flow cloud. It pulled back a little bit, enter here, catch the drop. We could have did that also, but I want to show you guys like a A setup, right? A B setup. So let's continue playing. Boom. All right. Boom. Okay. Boom. Just like that, we got our first two confirmation. And if you guys remember, price action and change of character. To me, price action, I need to see a nice double top or double bottom. And what we got here, chat? A nice double bottom. Boom. All right, nice double bottom, followed by change of character. I don't know if you guys can see this green, the green here right here, the green line that say chalk, right? You're able to change the text size also within the indicator. But we got our chalk. Boom. Got our chalk. So we got price action here. Let me just put an arrow out for you guys so you guys could, you know what I'm saying, see what I'm talking about. Not just, you know what I'm saying, hear it, see it. Price action right here. Boom. Price action, change of character. Now we need to see a fluid flow confirmation. We need to see that. We need to see that, right? And chat, if you guys familiar with FVGs, right? Look, price pull back to this bullish FVG here. That's an entry opportunity right here. Just with two confirmation, chat, you guys could have entered here right after this FVG to target this upside right here, to target this high. And that's what we're gonna kind of look for, right? So we didn't get a fluid flow confirmation. We're just waiting for the fluid flow confirmation so we could look for great entry opportunities. So let's continue playing. Boom. Okay. So look, we got the fluid flow confirmation, right? We got the fluid flow confirmation, right? We could either enter right here, right? Right at this breaker structure around these areas right here, right? We could choose to enter here, right? So let me just explain what just happened. We waited for three things to happen before we could make a decision on what's going on in the market, right? First, we need to see price action. Second, we need to see change of character, followed by the fluid flow cloud. The fluid flow cloud is right here, chat, right here. It's creating it right now in real time. Well, not right now, but on October the 30th, right? We got the fluid flow indication. So now it's for us to look for possible entries now. So how do you look for entry when you have your three setups? How do you look for entries, right? So before I continue, right? So let's break it down again, chat. Let's break it down again. What is the three confirmation we needed? First, price action. Second, change of character. Third, fluid flow confirmation. We got those three. Now we got an A+ setup. Now we following rules that's gonna take us somewhere, that's gonna get us somewhere. It might not always work every single time, but as long as you trading systematic like this, you will have success in the long run. So let's continue playing, right? Let's just say we enter here, right? Sorry chat, my webcam just died on us. So I'm trying to figure out where we left off at. So chat, so we have the fluid flow indication, we had the first pullback, we had all our three confirmations, right? Now we just need another entry, right? Another possible entry. Since we did miss this first pullback, we just need a possible entry, another re-entry, and that could be on a pullback to the cloud, chat. We need to see some type of pullback because it's not always safe to enter right in the impulsive movement, right? It's not always safe. So we're just gonna wait it out, see what's going on, right? Boom, we have this nice pullback, right? This nice pullback to the cloud, right? So now that's a safe entryway, right? And we could target these highs up here. But since this is a nice little trade setup, we could target this high right here. We could literally target this high right here, right? So let's just say we enter for this buy because we have all three confirmations. We have all three confirmations. We just need to find the setup and take it. We enter here and we're gonna exit out when we reach this level here. We're gonna have SL right below here, and then TP right here. Let's see how it plays out, chat. We almost touching SL. Another re-entry for those that miss, but right now we in profit. We in profit, chat. Let's continue playing. Come on. Come on. Boom. Just like that. Just like that, this setup helped us catch a great trade opportunity, right? And we did not guess. We did not do a whole bunch of guessing, a whole bunch of, you know what I'm saying, nonsense. We had our system, we had our rules, and we followed it, right? Our three confirmation, price action, change of character, right? Fluid flow confirmation, wait for some type of pullback, and then you strike. And then you strike. That's exactly what we did. We entered here, right? And stepped out at this recent, that high up there. Once again, I'm not here to say, oh, this will work 100% of the time. There's no strategy out there that works 100% of the time. You just have to have a strategy that works and stay consistent with it. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do to be profitable. I realize the market isn't trying to hurt you. The market is really just doing what it's supposed to do. It's trying to show you where the money is flowing, where the money is going. Once you understand market structure, it becomes predictable. Like literally, chat, it becomes predictable. Beginners don't need more indicators. Like, I swear, you do not need more indicators. You do not. You do not. You guys just need clarity. You guys just need a system that gives you clarity. And this is exactly what the Fluid Trades Algo give you. So look, so if you're tired of confusion, if you're tired of losing trades that felt right? If you're done guessing where the market is gonna go, I'm gonna need you to like this video and comment down Algo and send this video to a friend or something, right? So they can see this video too. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy now. Right, feel me? And click the link in the description, and you're gonna be able to get access to my indicators and my tools completely for free, right? You're gonna be able to try it completely free. My goal is to build traders who trade with confidence, not chaos. Listen, you do not need to be a genius. You do not need to be a mathematician or something to be profitable in trading. You just need the right rules. You just need the right rules and the discipline to follow them. Look, chat, if you guys like this video, I'm gonna need you to like, comment, subscribe. Look, it's free to show love. It's free to show love. Most of you guys that's watching me, you guys don't even like the video. Subscribe, man. It's free to show love, man. Show me some love, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let's get it.